Takshashila Academy, one of the finest colleges inside Kathmandu Valley. I would like to thank you all for taking the time and effort to look into this incredible college. And it's my pleasure to take you all to see all the wonderful things that college offers. So, enjoy the tour.
तक्षशिला भनेको ढुङ्गालाई ताछेर मूर्ति बनाउने भनेको हो। त्यसैले तक्षशिलामा आएर एउटा पढे लेखेको असल मूर्ति समाजको प्रतीक बन्ने इच्छा छ भने यहाँ आएर पढ्नुपर्छ। त्यसैले म यसलाई यहाँ आउने विद्यार्थीलाई स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। तक्षशिला विश्वविद्यालय थियो आजभन्दा 2600 वर्ष अगाडि। यो संसारको सबैभन्दा पुरानो विश्वविद्यालय हो र संसारका धेरै मान्छेहरू त्यहाँ पढ्न आउँथे। त्यही नामबाट यो तक्षशिला एकाडेमी हामीले राखेको हो। यो संस्कृत शब्द हो। अनि यहाँ साइन्स, म्यानेजमेन्ट र ह्युमेनिटिजको पढाइ हुन्छ। ब्याचलर्स लेभलमा बीबीएसको पनि पढाइ हुन्छ। साइन्स पढेको हाम्रो विद्यार्थीहरूले अहिले मेडिसिनमा, इन्जिनियरिङमा, कम्पिटिसनमा नाम निकालेर डक्टर इन्जिनियर बन्ने प्रोसेसमा छन्। म्यानेजमेन्ट पढेको भाइ बहिनीहरू सिए बनेर देशको विभिन्न क्षेत्रमा काम गर्ने उद्देश्यले पढ्न थालेका छन् र सर्वोत्तम स्थान पनि हासिल गरेका छन्। ह्युमेनिटिज हामी बिर्सिन चाहँदैनौँ किनभने समाजलाई चाहिने विषय यही हो। मनुष्यलाई मनुष्य बनाउने विषय भनेकै ह्युमेनिटिज हो। त्यसैले ह्युमेनिटिज भन्ने शब्दको अर्थै चाहिँ नि मानवता हो। ह्युमेनिटिजको केही अंश नपढिकन मान्छे विज्ञान मात्रै अथवा म्यानेजमेन्ट मात्रै पढेर केही हुँदैन। अब यहाँ अहिले नेपालकै अत्यन्तै नाम चलेका प्रोफेसरहरूले पढाउनुहुन्छ। पिएचडी गरेको मान्छेहरू हुनुहुन्छ धेरै। अनि विश्वविद्यालयमा झन्डै 28, 33 वर्षसम्म पनि पढाइरहेको प्रोफेसरहरूले पढाइरहनु भएको छ। त्यसैले आफूले पढ्ने, साँच्चीकै आफूले पढ्ने इच्छा राखेको छ र मेहनत गर्छु भन्ने कमिटमेन्ट, प्रतिबद्धताका साथ आएको छ भने मलाई लाग्छ तक्षशिलामा एकदमै राम्रो वातावरण पाइन्छ।
Takshashila Academy is located near the ring road at Samakosi, Kathmandu. The office and plus 2 buildings are just opposite to Radha Swami Sastang building. Its beautiful surrounding and easy accessibility easily attracts visitors. The college has its well-equipped separate physics, chemistry, biology and computer lab. In biology lab, we have a digital microscope that very few colleges have in the valley. DSL library is well stocked with reading and learning materials to support your coursework. There is a wide range of books, newspapers and journals. At TSA, we support your achievement by ensuring that you have an access to appropriate learning resources to enhance your learning experience. We have well-maintained rooftop cafeteria with a beautiful panorama of hills and cities. The building has well-furnished seminar hall, which can accommodate about 150 persons, where various programs and seminars are conducted. Takshashila Academy also provides transportation facility with the fleet of its own college bus, and also college provides hostel facilities to both boys and girls in a good environment with the motto, "Home away home." Besides study, Takshashila Academy also involves their students in different sorts of clubs to develop their skills and knowledge, and Takshashila Astronomy Club is one of them. The club was founded in 2007 by Mr. Jayanta Acharya. It conducts various observation programs, and by joining Astronomy Club, members can have access to wide range of astronomy equipment. For those students who are interested in making robot, we also have Takshashila Robotics Club. Recently, members of Robotics Club have made various robots and also have participated in robot competition. With the aim to flourish public speaking skills in students, we also have Pro Speakers Club in our college. Takshashila Pro Speakers Club simply provides a platform to the students who are enthusiastic and dedicated to develop the skill and build self-confidence. Takshashila Academy organizes different educational and social activities to enhance the overall development of students. In order to enhance the physical and mental growth of students, Takshashila provides different sports activities. College also involves their students in different types of social activities for the overall social development of students. The non-science management and humanities students are provided with the provision of involving them in some interesting project works. The other programs comprise the quiz contest, science exhibition, and educational tour.
धेरैजसो विद्यार्थी या गार्जियनहरूको मेन फोकस क्वेसन के हुन्छ भने वाइ पर्टिकुलर इन्स्टिट्युट हुने लाइक लेट्स से वाइ तक्षशिला वाइ फलोइङ इन्स्टिट्युट हुने र त्यसको लागि हरेक कलेजको एउटा मोटो बेसिकले के गर्न खोजेको छ के दिन खोजेको छ क्वेसन गरिन्छ सबैले भन्ने गरेका चाहिँ क्वालिटी एजुकेसन भनेर भेग वर्ड हो What does that quality education actually mean? पोइन्टबाट आएको छैन हामीले मैले भने कि धेरैजसो प्रोग्रामहरूमा या हामीले धेरै ठाउँमा हाम्रा ब्रोचरहरू पनि राखेका छौँ We want to produce the students who are socially conscious, morally upright, and academically competent. Academic competence मात्रै पनि हेर्ने होइन हेर्नुपर्ने कुराहरू चाहिँ सोसियल रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी कति लिनु खोज्छ त्यो स्टुडेन्टले त्यो पनि इम्पोर्टेन्ट पार्ट त्यो पनि एउटा लर्निङको पार्ट त्यो पार्टलाई अलिकति खोज्छ त्यसको मतलब विद्यार्थीहरूलाई दिन दुनियाँमा जेसुकै होस् मलाई मतलब छैन भन्ने किसिमको एजुकेसन दिएर पनि खान सक्छ स्टुडेन्टले सोसाइटी प्रतिको दायित्वहरू स्टुडेन्टले कति वहन गर्न खोज्छ कति त्यसमा इन्ट्रेस्ट राख्छ त्यो पनि एउटा पार्ट अफ एजुकेसन त्यही कारणले पर्सन मस्ट बी सोसियली कन्सियस मोरली अपराइट मैले कुनै कुरा गरिरहेको छु भने यसको इफेक्ट मैले हुनुपर्छ या यसको इफेक्ट मलाई कस्तो आउँछ त्यो कुरा विद्यार्थीले आफै बुझोस् सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन होस् त्यो कुरा चाहिँ हामीले ध्यान दिनुपर्छ त्यसै कारणले मेनली यो चाहिँ कुनै पनि कलेज मैले तक्षशिलाको मात्र कुरा गर्नु कुनै पनि कलेज जाँदाखेरि स्टुडेन्ट र विद्यार्थी
To produce globally competitive students with high quality education is the vision of Takshashila Academy. Here at Takshashila Academy, we believe that good academic leadership fosters a society, country, and the entire world. The mission of Takshashila Academy is to produce academically sound, socially responsible, and morally upright citizen, not only for Nepal, but also for the whole world. Our graduates will be capable of leading the society in social, environmental, technological, and economic sectors. We at Takshashila Academy are aiming to prepare students for acquisition of technical skills necessary for life and spiritual enlightenment that the statue of Buddha symbolizes. Indeed, Takshashila gives you wings of wisdom and knowledge that help you to fly and reach to your destination. Education is a means of character building, personality development, and the chief defense of a nation. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching you.
Okay, we are at rooftop cafeteria. Here we have Science Ankaki. Science Ankaki, say hi to camera. We have Benazil Rai, our presenter, our animation and editing, Vishal Langbosnet. Thank you. And me.